In this video, we are going to learn how to create a database in the MySQL server. First of all, we have to log into the MySQL as root. So use this command, use the root password. Okay, I have entered into the MySQL server. Now we will create a database in this server. Create database, my database. I am going to create a database by name my database. Okay, database has created. Now I will create a user for this database. For this my database, I am creating a user and name as Nirmal and the password is this. Let's create. Okay, now I am going to grant all the privileges on my database to this user. It's the best practice to use flash privileges command because it will free up any memory if the server cached. That's it. We have created a database named my database and the user for this database is Nirmal and the password is password@123. Now we are going to log into this database using this username and this password. The password for username is this one. Okay, I am successfully logged in into this database. Okay guys, that's all. Thanks for watching.